Hey guys, I'm at FTP and we're about to get a custom typewriter poem right here on the spot. I've been told to pick my paper. I'm gonna go with this cute pink paper. Hello, poet.
Hello.
What's your name, by the way?
Anna.
Hi, Anna.
I'm Anna Goodman Herrick. And your name?
My name is Mahagany. All A's. Here, I'll give you my...
Beautiful. All eight. So Mahagany, tell me about yourself.
I am from Texas. I am an actor. Three minutes till closing. We have 3 minutes.
Okay, so let's get right to the deep stuff.
Okay.
Tell me about your hopes and dreams.
My hopes and dreams. I hope that I can be an actor and just an actor, or just be able to freely express myself through art without having to worry about financial restrictions or anything like that.
Beautiful. And what does your name mean to you?
It means beauty. I love the color. I have really come to love my name, but I find it very representative of myself in my entirety.
Beautiful. Mahagany. Mahagany, all A, means beauty. I love the color. My name is my favorite color. From a little city near a military town, but not me, I don't subscribe. An actor, just an actor, but nothing small about expressing ourselves. Not just an actor at all, rather entirely an artist. An actor, a performer, but never performative, all for justice, music, movies, and good food. The way beauty tastes and language sounds from my mouth. Unique and rich with cinematic thrills, like a color spelled with the first letter of the alphabet 3 times. So there's no mistake, I am the first of my kind, of beautiful, of art, of actor. All rich with mahogany me-ness. My name is my favorite color.
Oh my God. Wow.